really want to thank the teams, each one of you, who have made this tournament the special tournament it is. And the crowd, without you, nothing is possible. So please put your hands together for the teams and for yourself. Well, without supporters and sponsors, this tournament wouldn't be possible. As you can see, we have become literally the most elite African tournament in Australia. But because of the reason it happens is because of the support and the wonderful sponsorship that we get every year. And I just want to thank our sponsors, who some of them are here today, some of them can't make it. But I just want you, please put your hands together for our sponsors from City of Melbourne, Victoria Police, the AFP, Moonee Valley City Council, Bendigo Bank, and many more. And also, the water you drink all the time, that beautiful fountain that's over there, comes from City West Water, and Ruth is here for them. So thank you, Ruth, and keeping the players there will be hydrated.
Everyone, what a great pleasure it is to be back here again. I know this is your 4th time here at JJ Holland Park, and every year I come back and I see this. The crowd gets bigger, the talent gets better. I tell you though, coming back to JJ Holland Park and seeing you guys play every year, it reminds me how well connected your community is and what this game does to make that connection even stronger. And that's why I support this, and that's why I bring the City of Melbourne with it, because it's just so important to see that. And I think it's important for you guys too, and I know how much you enjoy it, and it's our pleasure to keep supporting it. These sort of
Ahmed. I am here with my family today. We've come to enjoy this festive season, and the environment is fantastic to see the Somali community put on a fantastic tournament. Everyone is really enjoying themselves, and I hope it continues.
Well, that was excellent the game. We come back second half and we did well.
There's players that will be getting medals and big trophies, but whether you're collecting a trophy or a medal, you're all winners. The fact that you're participating in a team game, you've come together to represent your various clubs, your teams, your communities, you all deserve a pat on the back. So well done to all the players here. The officials haven't been mentioned, but throughout the week they've done it hard. I'm sure the players would like to thank the officials for what they've done. You probably don't know, but the man blowing the whistle out there today was a policeman. So Senior Sergeant Ronnie Sinclair from Box Hill. So top job, Ronnie.
Today's game was a really important one for us. We needed to win. It was like a do or die.
I feel good. What's happening is we're going to beat North Melbourne and go on to semi-finals. Hopefully, inshallah.
I'm a North Melbourne player, and we just won 5-2 against Adelaide quarter-final. So we're ready to go to semi-final.
Unbelievable!
so falling back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, and if you fall, get up, hey, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, 'cause this is Africa. Tamina, mina, waka, waka, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Listen to your dad, this is our motto. Your time to shine, go wait in line y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go on your feet and this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, I feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, hey, hey. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Tamina, mina.
Well, my name is Giuliani. I play for Oromo. Well, unfortunately, we lost. But for the last, like 5 to 10 minutes, we played very well. And we lost like 3 goals. We had like 3 chances, but we lost. And we lost 2-1. It's hard because they're way stronger than me. But as the girls' power, we have to keep up. And hopefully there'll be more girls. Or maybe even like girls' team and stuff to enjoy the tournaments.
Feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh. And if you fall, get up, hey, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, 'cause this is Africa. Tamina, mina, waka, waka, you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh. And if you fall, get up, hey, hey. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, 'cause this is Africa. Tamina, mina, waka, waka, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Listen to your dad, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go on our feet and this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, I feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, hey, hey. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Tamina, mina, waka, waka, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, Tamina, mina, waka, waka, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Tamina, mina, waka, waka, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, Tamina, mina, waka, waka, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa.